wind power plant and operations. Wind is moving due to various atmospheric pressures. Due to geography, topography, seasons, the wind will be moving. The area normally used for the wind power constructions are seashore of the seashores. Wind energy will be generated, moving air converted into mechanical energy. Mechanical energy produces the electricity. Initially, for grinding and pumping purpose, windmill will be used. Now it is used for generation of electricity. The mechanical energy will convert the electricity via the turbine. The turbine is connected with the blades. The blades moving by the wind. The turbine rotates. The generator produces the electricity. Now the wind power will be used to generate most of the powers without carbon dioxide emission. The wind is not moving, then the electricity will not generated. It disturbs the electricity generation. The cost of the wind power generation will be greater than conventional electricity generation sources. NIMBY told windmill will not be in these areas, land, birds or noisy areas. That is the wind power plant mechanics.